FCI business was started in London in 1980, where from a small factory we produced the iconic Burberry trench and duffel coats. From then on, the business grew manufacturing for other brands such as Liz Claiborne, Jacques Verde, Winsmore and Alexson. Expansion was then made offshore by setting up factories in Morocco in 1992 and then setting up in Bangladesh in 1997. From inception, we have been producing high-quality garments ranging from soft tailoring to structured formal outerwear for global brands. The business is known for the highest compliance standards, state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities and world-class technical know-how. We have 5 state-of-the-art production units, 4 of which are woven sewing plants and 1 is a sweater plant. The sweater plant is fully automated with Stoll multi-gauge knitting machines. Our current capacity can fulfill 3.6 million woven units per annum, along with 2.5 million units of sweaters per annum. We have invested in the very latest technology in manufacturing to enable us to ensure consistent quality for our existing and new customers. FCI is built on a strong ethical and social foundation. There are 3 main pillars which support in delivering customer value. We are serving the society by providing employment for the differently abled people. They have become very valuable people of our team. FCI has been awarded with many certifications from international accreditors. These include Plan A certification from M&S, complete compliance with Accord and Alliance, H&M Gold Standard, CT-PAT, RAP, BCSI, SEDEX. One of the key strengths of FCI is multi-product capability. FCI produces various products from ladies' blazers, trench coats, trousers, skirts to men's pants and suits. We provide complete design to delivery for clients. FCI employs a well-qualified team of designers who constantly keep abreast of global fashion trends. Our reputed clients include H&M, M&S, Jerry Weber, Next, Sainsbury, Esprit, J. Crew, LPP, C&A. One of our key strengths is quality. Our success in quality is mainly due to the strong focus in key areas as fabric, fit, finish. FCI has achieved over 93% inspection pass rate over the last 2 years. We make sure all the incoming fabrics are inspected as per the H&M protocol. We have a robust process of transferring the development sample to the factory through a handover meeting, including risk analysis. Also, a well-established quality assurance process is in place to ensure that the finished products meets the H&M standard. FCI is a company which constantly explores opportunities of growth. We have planned to start a men's suit factory in April 2019, which will supply entirely to H&M needs. This facility eventually will produce over 150,000 suits per month in 2020. In addition, FCI has invested in a multi-million-dollar project in Chattogram to manufacture fully integrated circular knit plant. This plant will deliver $150 million once commissioned. Also, we have invested in state-of-the-art manufacturing practices such as fully automated jacket pressing machines, automated cutting, and have developed ERP in-house. We will be migrating to a fully integrated ERP. The vision for the company emanates from Mr. M. Mateen, Chairman of the FCI Group, who is assisted by a well-experienced professional team. Our organizational structure is given below. FCI is striving to be a $500 million company by 2025, meeting expectations of our stakeholders, customers, employees, stakeholders, business partners, and society. Our immediate goal is to achieve $300 million by 2021. FCI, incomparable experience for customers and people.